When it comes to finding the perfect electric bike, Aventon offers a wide range of models that cater to various needs and preferences. With their commitment to quality, innovation, and stylish design, Aventon has become a renowned name in the world of electric bicycles. In this video, we will delve into the diverse lineup of Aventon models, examining their features, performance, and suitability for different riders. Whether you're a commuter seeking a reliable daily ride, an adventure enthusiast craving off-road exploration, or a leisure cyclist looking for a comfortable cruise, we will help you navigate through the Aventon collection to discover the ideal electric bike that suits your lifestyle. Join us as we delve into the world of Aventon electric bikes and uncover the right model for you. If you like what you see, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit that bell to get notified of new videos. Introducing the Aventon Aventure 2, a highly popular model that has quickly become the top-selling e-bike in the Aventon lineup since its launch in 2022. Don't be fooled by its robust weight of 77 pounds. This bike is a true powerhouse that effortlessly propels you forward. Equipped with a formidable 750-watt motor, the Aventure 2 allows you to cruise comfortably at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, while effortlessly carrying any additional load you might have. Designed with off-road adventures in mind, the Aventure features generously sized 4-fat tires that prioritize grip and impact protection. It excels on forest trails, rocky paths, and even on loose and potentially slippery surfaces. Furthermore, the Aventure's tire design makes it an excellent choice for navigating sandy beaches or snowy terrains, making it a preferred mode of transportation for surfers and snow enthusiasts. However, it's important to note that the Aventure is not a mountain bike and is not intended for extreme downhill descents or enduring excessive punishment. Its focus lies in delivering a reliable and thrilling off-road experience rather than tackling the most rigorous mountain trails. The Level 2, Aventon's latest electric commuter bike, has garnered widespread acclaim from reviewers and customers. This e-bike stands out as the most technologically advanced, courtesy of its torque sensor. The Level 2 boasts a robust 500-watt rear-wheel motor capable of propelling the bike up to a comfortable 28 miles per hour. But its true highlight lies in its impressive 60-mile range. Designed with the commuter in mind, the Level 2 excels at effortlessly transporting riders to and from work while prioritizing comfort. This purpose-built electric bike is equipped with front and rear fenders and a rear rack, which are standard features. Additionally, riders will enjoy the benefits of front suspension, hydraulic brakes, 2.1-inch hybrid tires, and a plush Velo saddle, enhancing the overall commuting experience. The only drawback that arises is when facing uphill terrain. Due to the torque sensor's activation mechanism, which responds to pressure from the rider, you will need to exert more effort when pedaling to maintain or increase your speed uphill. This doesn't imply that you have to pedal with great force, but rather harder compared to an e-bike equipped with a cadence sensor. With a weight of 62 pounds, riding the bike without utilizing the motor or pedal assist is feasible, but uphill climbs may pose a challenge. The Aventon Pace 500.3 stands as the flagship cruiser electric bike in Aventon's lineup. With its powerful 500-watt motor, it can reach a top speed of 28 miles per hour and offers an impressive range of up to 60 miles. While its appearance may not conform to the traditional cruiser e-bike aesthetics, it boasts sweeping handlebars, an upright riding position, and one of the most comfortable stock bike saddles available. The Pace 500.3 delivers a leisurely riding experience, accompanied by 4 new pedal assist levels: Eco, Tour, Sport, and Turbo. Alongside these features, riders can enjoy the convenience of an LCD screen, integrated lights, a removable battery, a cadence sensor, and an 8-speed cassette, a combination commonly found across many Aventon models. With the addition of 27.2 by 2.2-inch tires, the Pace 500.3 becomes an exceptionally capable electric bike that provides a pleasurable ride. Although it may not possess the same level of power as other models, its lighter weight allows for comparable speeds. While lacking suspension, it compensates with a comfortable saddle that effectively absorbs bumps. Instead of off-road tires, it features hybrid puncture-proof tires that handle both gravel trails and smooth roads with ease. Because of these qualities, the Pace 500 excels in various areas. It serves as an excellent commuter e-bike, a reliable option for leisurely rides along beach roads, and a suitable choice for long-distance trips. It offers a fun and fast experience. However, it is not designed for off-road adventures, similar to the Level 2 model. The Pace performs best on gravel and slightly rough terrain. Its combination of a cadence sensor, lightweight build, and powerful motor can make it a bit challenging to handle in tight spaces or areas with speed restrictions. Due to the cadence sensor, the motor provides full power as long as you're pedaling, which means the bike won't slow down unless you completely stop pedaling or engage the brakes. This aspect can catch some riders off guard, especially when attempting to avoid obstacles. The Pace 350.2, along with the Aventon Soltera, belongs to the lower power range of Aventon e-bikes. However, this doesn't mean it should be overlooked. With its 350-watt motor, it offers more power than many electric bikes available in the Australian market, and its affordable price makes it a compelling choice compared to other options found at major retailers. The Pace 350.2, being a lightweight e-bike, truly shines in compact urban environments like city centers or flat cycle paths, such as beach roads. It incorporates the same cadence sensor as the 500 models, but with a lower power output, resulting in a smoother overall riding experience. This e-bike is perfect for leisurely rides and a relaxed cruising style, making it an ideal choice for riders who prefer cruiser-style e-bikes. While it lacks front suspension, it's important to note that the Pace 350 is not designed for conquering off-road trails. However, this is unlikely to be a concern for most riders considering this model. It is still capable of climbing hills, although riders may need to engage a higher pedal assist mode and exert a reasonable amount of effort to avoid straining the motor. It's worth mentioning that the Pace 350 is not difficult to ride uphill. It still offers an easy ride, but its counterpart, the Pace 500, performs better in this regard. Similar to the Pace 350, the Soltera is equipped with a 350-watt motor. However, due to its lighter weight of 43 pounds, the Soltera can achieve a faster top speed of 20 miles per hour compared to the Pace. In addition to its stylish appearance, the Soltera is particularly well suited for commuting purposes due to its narrow frame and lightweight design. It can easily be customized with racks and panniers for convenient luggage transport. However, the true strength of the Soltera lies in how the rider chooses to utilize it. With its low weight, it provides a smooth cycling experience on flat or mildly hilly terrain. By utilizing the pedal assist for uphill climbs and relying on manual pedaling for other situations, the Soltera can offer a remarkable range of over 62 miles per hour per charge. However, Soltera is not well suited for intense hill climbing. On steeper inclines, riders may find themselves needing to stand up and pedal, although the effort required is still significantly less compared to standard electric bikes or regular bicycles. Additionally, the Soltera is not intended for rough terrain, as it is not designed for off-road adventures. Nonetheless, for riders seeking a reliable and stylish e-bike for everyday use, the Soltera is a compelling choice. The Sinch .2, Aventon's offering in the fat tire folding e-bike category, stands out as an exceptional value-for-money option. Powered by a 500-watt motor with a peak output of 750 watts, the Sinch can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Despite its powerful motor, the Sinch weighs 68 pounds due to its sturdy folding mechanism. Considering its folding design, the Sinch excels in various aspects compared to similar products on the market. It holds its own against other Aventon models as well. While it may be the slowest among the Aventon lineup, its torque-rich motor enables better hill climbing performance than the Pace 350 and the Soltera. The Sinch surprises with its versatility, thanks to its suspension and tires. While it may not handle terrain as adeptly as the Aventon model, it performs well on dirt roads, sand, loose gravel, and more, making it an excellent companion for camping and caravanning adventures. Folding e-bikes are often sought for their portability, but the Sinch's weight of 68 pounds makes it challenging to carry around. Although it folds securely, it is better suited for transport in a vehicle than being maneuvered on public transport or upstairs. Due to its weight and moderate speed, the Sinch may not be the ideal choice for commuters. If you prioritize higher speeds, opting for another Aventon model might be a better fit. With a strong focus on quality, innovation, and stylish design, Aventon has established itself as a renowned name in the industry. By considering the specific needs and preferences that align with your lifestyle, we are confident that you will find the perfect electric bike in Aventon's e-bike collection. Which of these Aventon e-bikes appeals to you the most? We want to know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.